Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Group Vice President, General Manager, Lexus Division, Mark Templin.
Well, good afternoon, and thanks for joining us to help kick off a very exciting weekend. We're here to unveil our newest luxury sedan, the all-new GS, and we're here to discuss a new direction for Lexus. To talk about our brand's future, I'd like to bring up someone who's leading us on a very exciting new path. Ladies and gentlemen, the president of our parent company, Akio Toyoda. Akio.
Thank you, Mark. I'm very happy to be here today to tell you how excited and passionate I am about the future of Lexus. Our vision is that Lexus becomes the best, not the biggest, the best, most innovative progress, luxury brand that delights customers from all around the world. When consumers think about the pinnacle of luxury, we want them to think Lexus. To accomplish that goal, we are doing something very different, something we have never done before. In fact, Lexus is leading the way in how the entire Toyota Motor Corporation should operate. Simply put, we have internationalized Lexus. We have picked a team from all over the world to head up a new global Lexus division at TMC. And since I am so passionate about the future of Lexus, I wanted to be personally involved. So there are no extra layers. This new division reports directly to me, and I have given them autonomy over business decisions. Our cars will have these special ingredients and more as part of their Lexus DNA. And yes, sometimes I drive the engineers crazy. But it is all worth it. The first car of the new generation Lexus, the 2013 GS, shows our passion and new direction for the brand. Every time I drive it, I am more confident in our next generation GS. It is great achievement. And this is just the beginning. Next year, Lexus will launch 9 new or updated vehicles. And we have many more in development. And it all starts today with the GS. Let's bring back Mark Templin so he can show you the result of our hard work. Mark? All yours.
Thank you, Akio. You know, it's really great to have the support of our president. It's his personal love of cars and his desire for nothing but the best that gave us the GS that I'm about to show you. You know, throughout its history, the GS luxury sports sedan has been many things. Car and Driver named it among its 10 best, more than once, as a matter of fact. Motor Trend called it Import Car of the Year. A leading consumer publication said it was a best buy. And at one point, it was the world's fastest production sedan. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Lexus GS. As Akio mentioned, this GS is more than just our newest offering. It represents a new beginning for our brand. You know, we learned a lot from the ISF and the LFA, and those lessons were applied directly to this GS. Here's just one example. Like the LFA, the GS was designed to help direct airflow for better aerodynamics. Air first passes the molded headlamps, then skims by scalloped side mirrors, finally reaching fins incorporated into the side of the tail lamps. Body rigidity has been significantly increased with more and new advanced laser welding. The all-new front and rear suspensions are now lighter and more responsive. They've been designed to enhance steering feel, improve ride comfort, reduce body roll, and increase straight line stability. And the new design of the rear suspension also allows for a trunk that's 25% roomier than the previous generation. And it's all powered by an even better 3.5-liter engine with both port and direct injection that puts out 306 horsepower, giving it a more powerful base engine than Mercedes and BMW. Let's talk safety, which is a top priority for us. The GS protects its occupants with class-leading 10 airbags, available blind spot indicator, heads-up display, and adaptive cruise control. And we have a new segment first eye monitoring feature that's paired with the available pre-collision system. With a camera mounted on the steering column, the system can tell if you're falling asleep and alert you with a beep. There's Lexus Night View, a new night vision system that uses infrared LED technology to detect shapes on dark roads, and Lane Keep Assist to help prevent the driver from drifting out of a lane. Our system is the first in this segment to use active steering torque to help guide you back on track. Now, GS production will start in December, with the first cars arriving in dealerships in February.